If you already have a podcast or you want to host your own podcast, but you're not fully sure how that show is supposed to help you attract better clients, this free webinar is for you. I'm teaching a practical session called How to Use Podcasting to Attract Premium Clients. And inside, I'm going to walk you through how to build systems that convert listeners into clients for your business. Because here's the truth: a podcast does not automatically grow your business just because you publish episodes. A lot of professionals out there are creating solid content, showing up consistently, and still not seeing clear movement in leads, inquiries, or client growth. Not because podcasting doesn't work, but because the show is not yet connected to an actual business strategy. In this webinar, I'm going to show you how to think about podcasting for business differently. We'll cover how to position your show so it speaks to the right listener, how to create content that helps you increase your authority and get even more visible, how to connect your episodes to a real conversion path for your listeners, and how to make the whole thing sustainable so your show can actually support your business long term. This will be tactical, practical, and clear. You'll leave knowing what to change, what to build, and what to focus on next if your goal is to expand your reach and generate leads for your business through podcasting. So, if you want your podcast to do more than just publish content with your name and face on it, go ahead and register now. I'd love to have you in the room.